The lift has dubbed Paige and Adam Jacobson of Grand Rapids the science siblings. But today they're not just about science, they're also showing us how an experiment can become art.
Hi, we are the science siblings and we are so excited that summer is here.
We've been thinking about fun science experiments that we can do over the summer.
I thought about an awesome experiment that has science and art in it.
What's that?
It's called salt painting.
That sounds fantastic. But first, let's talk about the science behind salt painting.
Well, we have capillaries in our blood vessels, and these little tubes hold blood and bring nutrients to the cell and carry away old things.
Oh, how does that work?
It's like capillary action. That's when liquid moves up through the space, like with paper towels and water. Look at it go! The water moves up and out and side to side into the gaps of air spaces of the paper towel.
Is that how salt painting works?
Part of it. We need capillary action, but we also need salt. The salt soaks up and absorbs the water through a chemical reaction. And wait for it.
Wait for what?
The science word of the day.
What's that?
Hygroscopic.
Hygro what now?
So salt, it's hygroscopic, meaning it can absorb both liquid and vapor. The glue in the artwork will seep in the salt between and when we add the color, the salt can go through the capillaries. This is salt painting.
Let's give it a try.
Here are the ingredients you will need to make your very own salt painting.
First, you want to take a pencil and outline your drawing on a piece of cardstock, and then you want to fill it in with glue.
Next, take a bowl of salt and cover all of the glue areas. Make sure that there is a thick layer of salt on top of the glue.
And then make sure to dump all of the excess salt onto a plate or a cup.
Next, wet some watercolors and take a paintbrush and dip it in the wet watercolor and lightly dab the paintbrush to the salt areas. Then you can watch the capillary science action magic happen. Here's how ours turned out.
Have a fun time making your very own science and art project.